Where are we showing our power in 2025?
Target locked, Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Save the date, December 15th to 17th, 2025 Uzbekistan Paint and Coatings Expo. Farfly is coming.
We are at booth T25, 20 square meters of new innovation. Solving coating problems, see you on site. See you there.
See you there.
See you there.